Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week our staff of educators tries to introduce you to a person of interest in the financial world. This could be a person in government or banking or an important investor or trader. In this video we will take a look at a new name in the headlines, Deputy Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. Ever since the OPEC meeting in November 2014, when Saudi Arabia adopted its new plan to maintain its market share by increasing production and driving prices down, oil has been the #1 headline. Mohammed bin Salman, a fast riser in the Saudi hierarchy and member of the new generation, has the world's ear after an expansive interview where he elaborated on his plan for taking the mega giant state oil company public. Bin Salman, son of King Salman, was the surprise choice to serve as deputy to Crown Prince Mohammed bin Nayef, the 56-year-old who had been seen as a possible heir apparent but is now viewed by some as more of a rival. Bin Nayef is interior minister who rose to power on his success as head of the Saudi counter-terrorism program. King Salman, himself 80, took the throne when King Abdullah died in January 2015. Bin Salman has also been popular with Saudi youth who have been supporting him throughout the Yemen war. About 70% of the population of Saudi Arabia is under 30 and 40% is unemployed, said Helima Croft, head of commodity strategy at RBC Capital Markets. That's his consistency. If your policy is to consolidate a significant portion of the population behind you, he's done that. I think he's played the Game of Thrones in Saudi Arabia particularly well, said Croft. He's consolidated power faster than anyone imagined. He's talked about doing things that go to the heart of the Saudi social contract. He doesn't seem to be afraid. How this story ends, I have no idea. All I know is we're in totally uncharted water. Bin Salman helped knock 4% off the price of crude Friday after he threw into doubt the ability of the world oil producers to agree an output freeze at their meeting in Qatar on April 17. The prince was reported as saying the kingdom would not participate in a freeze if Iran and other major producers, both OPEC and non-OPEC, do not join the program. This is dead in the water then, Croft said. No one is going to overrule Bin Salman on oil policy. If he's going to stick to his position, there's no point in showing up in Doha. The idea of a global production freeze has been supported by Russia and Saudi Arabia through Oil Minister Ali al-Naimi, but Iran has said it has no intention of freezing output as it works to return oil to the world market now that sanctions against it have been lifted.